Alright, one of the homies brought his fucking tow truck to the lot, so we're about to jump off that shit. Or eat shit. I guess potentially both. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, we're dialed. Oh, that's so funny. Oh my god, that's actually easy. He is speed. Get out of the way, nerds. Yo, that was sick. What a weird opportunity. So sick. I'm gonna go big. You're gonna go big? All right. Does that look sketchy or does that look like normal?
No, that looks great.
Hell yeah.
Scrape to jump off the seat stand.
It comes down really hard. Like
pitted, so pitted like that.
try it, yeah, try it. God damn! No, that was sick. It counts.
That was cold.
God, he went so high that time. I didn't know he was coming up. That's funny.
If I were you, I would be so terrified right now.
Oh, standing next to him? I ride with him a lot for a long time. Bro, you got so close to me that one time.
I was like, he's not looking.
I was not looking. I didn't hear you until your bar was like next to me.
I get close and I was watching.
No, that was funny as fuck. Hey, we want Madden to tune it again. Give it back.
You're that
It's in the log.
I gotta bend the center back.
I got an extra peg. Would you?
Oh, bad. Damn, bro. Hey, that's crazy. Good looking on telling me to do that.
Nick, I feel like you're the ultimate instigator. You're just like, all right, so this is what we're gonna do. You like spot out potential and you're like, all right, check it out. So here's the game plan. We're getting you to do this today. Like, it works though, dude. It works. He's that guy. There's always.
I'm just learning. He's like, take your hand off my.
Yeah. He's like, yeah, no haters, bro. Like, just do that. You're right there. I'm like, okay. That's what it's all about.
Get better.
It's
That
awesome.
first scrape, bro, the mintest first scrape I've ever seen. I just parked it. I've never parked it.
Eric would have been too hyped on today, I think. Too many supermotos, too many riders, too much positive vibe action. Like, he would have just.
This is just too good of a day.
Yeah, his head would have fucking exploded. He's like, freedom! Cheetos!
Cheetos!
The missile knows where it is.
Southern white trash, motherfuckers in the box. Keep a number like a rat, still a fucking piece of pie.
so high up here. Oh! Damn, it's popping. Yeah, there's 2 sets of legs on this bike. What's going on? Hey, big fat guy. Fuck that shit. Hey, M shit. Yeah, I don't know what, I just like blacked out for a minute. When the fuck did we get ice cream?
When the fuck did we get ice cream?
You guys like, it's 3 for $6. I'm like, am I stupid not to buy 3 then? I don't know. Yeah, you want one?
Let me drop some shit like this. At night I can't sleep, I toss and turn. Candlesticks in the dark, visions of bodies being burned. 4 walls just staring at a nigga. I'm paranoid, sleeping with my finger on the trigger. My mother's always stressing I ain't living right, but I ain't going out without a fight. See, every time my eyes close, I start sweating and blood starts coming out my nose. It's somebody watching me act, but I don't know who it is, so I'm watching my back. I can see him when I'm deep in the covers. When I awake, I don't see the motherfucker.
He's got a Charlie horse on my
He owns a black hat like I own, a black suit and a cane like my own.
Ready so I can take my
Some might say take a chill, B, but fuck that shit. There's a nigga trying to kill me. I'm popping in the clip when the wind blows. Every 20 seconds got me peeping out my window, investigating the joint for traps, checking my telephone for taps. I'm staring at the woman on the corner. It's fucked up when your mind is playing tricks on you.